Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a test drive in a lovely 1966 Mustang Convertible. This is definitely a California born and raised car, and it has several very unique features which we will talk about shortly. Let's go for a spin. Well, good afternoon. We're about to ready to go for a test drive in a 1966 Mustang Convertible. The unique features of this car, it was built in the California plant. It has the pollution control stuff on the little 289 engine, which was mandatory in California. But there's one other feature that I have seen very seldom in. It has the front seat bench seat, not the buckets. It was an option available, and a little over 3,000 Mustangs actually came with that. So let's go for a little spin here. Nice automatic transmission, little 289, power steering. This is a dream car just to jump in, turn the key, start and drive. Long story on this car, I bought this car for the company about 18, almost 19 years ago. Sold it to a very nice couple who had the car. They have now decided they're downsizing and moving to smaller facilities and no longer have a space to put the car. So they called me up and said, would you have any interest in reselling our little Mustang that you sold us 18 years ago? I said, you mean the one with the bench seat, which is the only one I ever... Yes, absolutely. So we do believe this is probably actually miles on this car, 32,400 miles. Just an absolute solid car. The only thing the folks said they had to do with the car after they bought it for me in that 18 plus years is they put a new exhaust system on it. And it was getting a little noisy, so that was the only thing we actually ever had to do. Isn't that an interesting story? But power steering on these little cars is really a nice feature. Not many people add it. It wasn't a very expensive option, but most people said, oh, a little car like that, don't need it. But I'll tell you what, it sure makes for a pleasurable car to drive with power steering. Neat thing about the little Mustangs, remember the speedometer goes up to 140 miles an hour. That's pretty darn fast for a 66 Mustang. Other thing that they have, full instrumentation, oil pressure gauge, amp gauge, temperature gauge. The other thing, if you'll notice in the dash, it has the factory AM 8-track plate, which of course 8 tracks were very, very common in 1966. Nice little car, has radial tires, factory hubcaps. It just is one of those cars you can jump in and drive to any car show you want to go to, any cruise in, Mustang gathering. It has also a power top, which again was one of those options. Not all of them had it, but again, it's really nice in the event that you need to put the top up in a hurry and you're by yourself. It really makes for a lot more simpler operation. Nope, the car drives down the road nice, solid. Very little play in the wheel. Well, we're heading back to our main showroom right here in Rogers, Minnesota. We have in the neighborhood of 90-95 plus vehicles for sale at all times. We have everything from the bone stock Mustang convertibles to muscle cars, street rods, classics, to other specialty vehicles, street machines and the like. So if you're in the market, take a look at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com for our full inventory. Look, you can find us on Facebook as well. And with that, we just had a really nice little ride in a little Mustang Convertible on a lovely day. This car could be sitting in your garage. Give us a call. Thank you.